Welcome back coders. In this particular video I will be discussing over a topic that there is a function in Excel, inbuilt function. So it's known by the name of char, char, and what it does is that it takes in an ASCII equivalent of a character and converts it to its character equivalent. That's what char does in Excel. Now if compared to Python, it also has an inbuilt function in Python. We don't need to import any libraries or install some packages. It's known by the name of char, and what it does is that it takes in an ASCII equivalent, and this ASCII code ranges from 65 to 90 for caps A to Z and 97 to 122 for small hand letter A to Z. So without further ado, let me move to Excel and guide you. So if it's 65 to 90, 65, let me use the fill handler to just fill up this range of cell with some values, fill series. So I'll be taking in is that I'll be using the function char, and need to take in this ASCII equivalent, this ASCII value, and convert it to its character equivalent. So what char is to Excel is similar to char is to in Python. So now let me move to Python and just do the same thing in Python. So I'll be opening up idle as I have already installed Python in my computer. So it's up to you to how to install Python, and there are lots and lots of videos out there. And so Python is a blooming up language which is going on in it is a trendy language which is going on in this particular time period of time. Everybody is moving to Python and they are curious about Python. So let's not just give some jargon talk on all this. Our motto is to show you that guide you the char function in Python. So to do so, I'll be creating a new file. Now to make the portion more viewable, let me zoom out the screen a little bit. So what I'll be doing is that the functions are defined by def, and the name of the function can be anything, but I'll be giving a logical name convert, and it will be taking a number. And what would it do is that this is the answer, and it would do is that char. This is the inbuilt function in Python. Char num. Now only this answer needs to be returned. So return ans. Now the user will be prompted to give some value. So number equal to, so Python takes everything as a character as an input, so I need to typecast it to its integer equivalent. So int and input, this will be the message that will be shown to the user. Input, enter a value between 65 to 90. Yeah, so what I'll be doing is that it would print the ASCII equivalent to the decimal is convert number yeah, that's pretty much about it. Control S, let me save the file, and just I'll be going to the desktop location, and in the desktop we have a file by the name of ASCII, and I'll be naming it as ASCII. It's a Python file. So now let's go to that particular folder, ASCII folder, and here I'll be running the cmd to open the command prompt, and I'll be running the program. So Python ASCII.py. Okay, so integer input enter a value to what is was never used. Okay, so there is a problem with the braces. There is a problem with the braces. One more bracket needs to be closed. Control S to save the file. Okay, so let me rerun the program. 65, then 97, so 65 to 90 and 97 to 122, 122. So basically the summarization to this particular video is that what car CHR is to Excel is CHR is to Python. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, and while doing the practical all by yourself, if you have faced any issues and whether you have found any bugs or error in your while running the file. That's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys. Happy coder, happy coding, and see you again for some other video. Happy coding guys, and voila, goodbye coders.